To my almost 400 subscribers, I appreciate you subscribing, and I am humbled that you even find anything I do even interesting. So, I haven't posted anything in quite a while, and I do have an RTH video that I'm working on right now. It'll be a few more days, and I'll get that thing posted. It's going to deal with return to home functions as a controller position versus the position of the drone when it takes off. Okay, now this video, let's get on to this. This I recorded back on July 4th of last year, and I'm down at my brother's house, and he shows me a mortar, and he says, "Hey, listen, I got a July 4th mortar here. I want you to go up, and take a picture of this. See what it looks like when it explodes." We look at the side of the mortar, and it says it's supposed to explode at 200 feet. So I decide, let me go up to 300 feet and see if I can even find this thing or see it when it explodes. What you're going to see is completely unexpected. It wasn't planned that way. I actually went back in my flight logs and I got the drone at 318 feet. And I want you to see what happens. It is hilarious. I almost died with laughter. Every time I look at this video, I just start laughing again. Anybody I show it to laughs about it. And I've just kept it, never posted. Let me do something. Let me put this out there, and I love to see what you think about it. Anyway, here's that video.
It's recording. Yep. I was watching right under the drone.
So here it is again. If you look
it's
closely,
recording.
You'll see my brother walking out in his yard. He lights the mortar, and then he runs away from it.
I was watching right under the drone.